Hello everyone, this is Mohammad Shujat Khan and I am project manager at BroadlyTech. Today I'm here to demonstrate you our education management system which makes management of your institution really easy. It is a web app and to implement this system, schools do not need expensive hardware. All they need is an internet connection and a device to run this app on. So first of all, we're going to see the website of the school or this education system that you have. We're going to see the website. It has different menus and different pages which you could update from your admin panels. You could assign different roles, which includes teachers, students, parents, and other staff of the school as per needs. So these are all the sections of the website, as you could see. So we're going to begin with the login. We're going to log in through an admin panel. When we're going to log in through it, we could see the dashboard over here. We could see the number of students, teachers, to daily attendances, about the parents and staffs. We could see the recent events, expenses of the school, about the account section right on the dashboard. Below dashboard, you could see the users, which includes admin. Remember that we logged in through super admin, and we could create admins which have different roles, and we could add the admins through this section. We could fill up all the information needed, and we're going to create an admin and it's going to create the admins. Same as that, we could add students, we could add admissions of the students, we could add teachers and their teacher permissions, we could add parents, we could add accountant and librarian the same way the others did, and we could assign them accordingly. Then there comes the academic section, where we could take daily attendance of the students. We could select their class section and we could take their attendance through this, and we could even print the attendance sheet. We could assign the class routines. We could add subjects, we could add syllabus, we could add classes, through here we could upload the syllabus of the students and we could create those syllabus. We could add classes and classrooms as per our needs. We could add different departments that our school is teaching. We could add events which are going to be shown on your website as well. We could add an event so it could notify all the people relevant to it. We could add, then there comes the exam section, where we could firstly add the exam as per. I've added few here. We could select the class, their exam, and we could assign them the marks according to their exams that have been taken. We could even create our own grading system as well, depending on our institution from here, and then according to the exams and their results, we could promote classes from one section to another, promoting from class 9 to class 10, and we could select the sessions over here. Then there comes the accounting section, where there is student fee manager, expense category, and expense manager. We could add expense category first, just like this, and then accordingly we could add the expenses. We could select the categories of the expense, we could add expense, and we're going to create, and it's going to show up over here. Then there comes the student fee manager section, where we could add mass invoices and single invoice. We could see the invoices and their records over here as well, and we could even export the reports. We could print them, and we could export them in CSV and PDF files. To add an invoice, we're going to select the class, we're going to select the student, we're going to write the title of it, we're going to write the amount of it, and we're going to save them accordingly to the status. We're going to select the whole class, we're going to select the section, invoice title, and we're going to create the invoice over here. Then there comes the back office section, in which it contains library section, where we could add the books, we could number of books and names of the books and their authors, and we could look up for issuance reports over here, either the student have taken the book and they've returned it or not. We could select that all from over here. Then there comes the session manager. We could add sessions, active sessions, or the past sessions through here. Then there comes the add-on manager. We could create add-ons. Then there comes the notice board, where we could add new notices. We could create their title, write their description. We're going to show them on our website, upload a photo. It depends on you if you want to show it on your website or not. You're going to save it. Then there comes the settings, where there is system settings at first. Then there comes the website settings. In website settings, it's easy to change settings of all of your website just from this section, and it's gonna be changing everything in it. And if you want to add the gallery in this, you could add your gallery through this section. You could keep the title, write the description, show it on your website, select the cover image, and you're going to save the gallery, and it's going to show up on your website. And same as that, you could add notices and events as well. Then there comes the school settings. We could change this name of the school and number and address on it. And then there are payment settings, through which we could update our currency system. It includes PayPal settings and Stripe settings as well, if that is what you need. So this option is available in it as well. Then there comes the language settings. You would select different languages. Then there comes SMTP settings, through which you could create an SMTP, and you're going to be sending different messages or notices to the students and teachers, etc. Then there comes the about section, and you could visit the website straight from here to check your updates. You could change your account information, you could change the settings of it, and you could certainly log out. So this is what the admin panel or the panel looks like. That was it from our education management system. If you need any information about it, or you have any queries or questions about it, feel free to ask us. I'll put the link in the description along with the credentials so you could see the system yourself for better understanding of it. Until next time, thank you. Allah Hafiz.